Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Voice and this is Chris. Now when it comes to watching a video or listening to music, the audio equipment that you use makes a lot of difference. It either makes or breaks the overall experience. Huawei recently announced the launch of the Sound X smart speaker onto the market. This speaker has been built in partnership with audio specialist Divyale. Let's quickly open up the box and see what's inside. As soon as you open up the box, you see a cylindrical dome-shaped device. Let's remove the protective pouch and that reveals the Sound X. I'm keeping this aside to dig deeper. Inside the box, you get the power brick along with an anti-static cloth. You also get another box which includes different types of power cables and some paperwork that includes warranty info and the quick start guide. The Huawei Sound X is a powered smart speaker and it weighs 3.5 kilograms. As you can see here, the power port is on the bottom of the unit. Once you switch on the Sound X, you will see an RGB tricolor indicator light up on the top of the device. The speaker indicates through sound when it is ready for pairing. The touch panel on top comes with 4 touch buttons. This includes mute button, the volume controls and a multifunction button. Now this button is used for connecting through Bluetooth when kept pressed for a few seconds. The Sound X comes in black piano finish and the overall build quality feels solid. It comes packed with 8 speakers that deliver an audio output of 144 watts. You also get 6 1.5-inch tweeters placed in a ring format that offers up to 40 kHz of high frequency. You also get 3.5-inch dual subwoofer design and it is built for 360-degree sound. So when the music plays, the sound waves cause the speaker to vibrate. If you hold a tissue paper in front of the speaker, you can actually see the vibration caused. The Sound X adopts a symmetrical push-push acoustic design. This allows each subwoofer to cancel out the back wave vibration from the other. This suppresses the noise and distortion at all levels. The outward-facing subwoofers offer 93 decibels of sound. In order to use the Sound X, all you need to do is switch on the NFC feature on your smartphone and tap the phone onto the Sound X's NFC zone. Your phone will then pair through NFC and Bluetooth. And that's it. You can now stream your favorite songs on the Sound X and enjoy the audio experience. In case you want to pause the music midway, just cover the top of the device with the palm of your hand and the music pauses. To resume again, just tap the top of the device and continue listening to music. Huawei also offers an app called Huawei AI Life, which allows you to connect the speaker through Wi-Fi. The app lets you control the bass and the mid-range frequencies, update the firmware and so on. For this review, we used a Huawei P40 Pro to pair with the Sound X. This is part of Huawei's Seamless AI Life strategy, which essentially means that the smartphone is at the center of Huawei's ecosystem that brings and connects different types of Huawei products like laptops, tablets, IoT devices and so on together. Having said all of that, the Huawei Sound X works perfectly well with any Android smartphone that supports NFC and Bluetooth. In order to test the audio quality, we used various genres of music, which included classical, electronic, pop, rock, and so on. We were quite impressed by the overall audio quality, specifically the low rumbles of the bass, clear midtones, and crisp high-frequency trebles. Our comfortable listening experience was at 80% of the volume, but even at lower volumes of 15%, we could still hear the rumbles of the bass quite clearly. For a price tag of 1,299 dirhams, the Huawei Sound X is a good buy. It features eye-catchy design, excellent build quality, and offers high-fidelity audio experience.